Hello friends, welcome to engineering classes. Today we will learn about the Excel. In this playlist, we will start from the very beginning and we'll discuss each and everything of the Excel. For this video, we will start with the basics, that is formulas we use and how to do a drag down in Excel. So these are the normal mathematical operations that we can do in the Excel. We will study about all the four, that is sum, subtract, multiply and divide. I have taken one dummy data of employees' salary, tax, deduction, welfare, and salary per month. Okay. So, for example, there is one employee name as Ankit who is having 15 LPA package. Now we have to deduct the income tax of 10 percentage from their salary. So, how we can do it? Click on this cell, start with equal operator, then select this cell, use star, multiply by 90 percentage. So this way it will deduct the 10 percentage. Now the 90 percentage of 15 lakh is 13.5. Okay. Now to do a drag down, how we can do it? Go to the very last till you want to give the formula. Say for example, we have to find from this till this point. That is row 14. Give one alphabet. Select this cell. Now do control plus shift and down arrow. Now give control plus D. So let me write it down. For do a shortcut for a drag down, what you have to do is control plus shift, keep pressing them and give one time down arrow. Okay, then all the cells will be selected and then give control plus D. Here we will see the formula. Now we calculated this. Now we need to deduct 1000 from everyone's salary. Select this, give minus, and give value as 1000. Same way, I am writing down one alphabet here. Okay. Control shift down arrow and then control D. Now we have seen multiply, subtract, coming to divide. So this is the salary per annum. Now we need to calculate the salary per month. So for this we can divide it by 12. Select this, give slash and give 12. So this will be the salary. Give A here, down arrow, control D. So this way we can calculate the salary per month. If you want to remove these, if you want to convert it to some round number, you can do it with the help of this icon. See, decrease decimal. So this way you can calculate the round of values. And if you want to give us some number, say for example, you want to calculate how much it is costing for company to give the salary. So write SUM in caps, bracket open, sum, drag all. You can even write it. It is from B3, that is B column, C cell to B14, B column 14. So B3 to B14 and close the bracket and enter. This way you can calculate the sum. So now we have seen all the four basic formulas. That is multiply by, you can give star, minus just to simply give the operator. Same for divide, we need to give this operator. And sum, we have a formula. You can use this one. So, thank you.